I like trains.
Got Dublin Turkish Airlines airplane coming over here.
Turkish Airlines, you idiot!
Sheesh. There's Mark 4145 sitting in the yard.
Ooh, Aer Lingus.
And here it comes. So this is Turkish Air? Alright, cool. What's this one?
Aer Lingus.
This is Aer Lingus? This is a livery, right?
No, standard.
Okay. Wow, I think it's going to Dulles, right?
Yeah,
Oh, of course, where else is it going? Yeah, Dulles has a lot of big planes, guys. Maybe in the future I'll go to, let's see an Emirates A380, I don't know. That would be cool to see. Man, that one looks nice. No. There we go. Look at the blue.
Wow. I waved to it even though they can't see me.
Alright.
Wow.
Where's he now? I lost him.
Pics of blankets.
There it is. Alright. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that plane video. One last look of it. And another one last look at Mark 4145 sitting there. So, stay tuned for the next video, guys.